When you cracked your knuckles, you might think your bones are grinding together, but that popping sound doesn't come from bones grinding at all. As you pull or bend your fingers, the joint capsule stretches and pressure inside the joint suddenly drops. Then, dissolved gases in the joint fluid rapidly form a bubble in a process called cavitation. After that, the bubble collapses or shifts, creating the sharp popping sound you hear. This causes the brief sensation of release, while the joint structures themselves remain intact, as long as it's not forced or painful. To prove this, a scientist cracked his knuckles on only one hand for over 50 years, and both hands showed no difference in arthritis.